Out here at the first robotics competition. It's held every year, and I've been participating here for the past 6 years. Over my shoulder here, you'll see the high school teams, mostly high school teams, competing in a robotic competition here. I'm a coach. I coach the team 100 scholars, and we are a group of students from all over the Atlanta community. There are some students that are homeschooled, some students that go to various high schools, but we're located in the heart of Atlanta. Well, what I like about coming out here and helping the students is I'm an engineer, right? So I call these first robotic kits, and these programs are grown people Legos, are Legos for adults. So we're in there tinkering, putting all sorts of stuff together. So as an engineer, I get to geek out a little bit. At the same time, I get to work with students who may not have been exposed to these type of tools or to these type of electronics. So working with them to pick up skills such as machine shop skills, using drills, dremel tools, and even bandsaws, even some heavy duty machining equipment. It's fun working with them. Of course, they're kids, so it's fun just being around them. They're crazy, they're fun, and they're joking, so we're gonna have a good time as well. Each year, I've been working here or coaching with this team, volunteering for 6 years, and every year I learn something new. And it's old concepts, and again, when I say old, as an engineer, stuff that I've learned in school before, I've seen in books, but sometimes I don't get to apply everything that I've learned in engineering. So last night and today, we implemented a pulley system. I've never built a pulley system, but we took a paper drum that you get out of napkins, took some duct tape, found some glue and some string, and we made a pulley system out of components we found around us. It took a couple of hours, but I worked with the students. We went on Google and figured out, hey, how do we get the mechanical advantage in the pulley system? And we designed it, built it, and put it on the robot. It's working. Another aspect, the other skills that I transferred are the social skills, such as being able to communicate. Being able to communicate your idea to an individual or a group, being able to receive direction without feeling like, hey, someone's telling me what to do, or someone's being bossy. Be able to take some direction as well. Time management is a big one. We'll come in here and design this beautiful, perfect, can do everything robot. But I have to remind the students, and I'm like, well, it's only 3 of us, and we only have 2 weeks. So we got to scale the project down to the resources that are available to us and the time that we have. So time management is something that is transferred. Time management, communication, documentation, writing down your ideas so you can follow up on them tomorrow or the next day. So those are some of the social skills. So just being able to work in a team environment, communicate, and be efficient and successful. I've had students come in at a young age. I've been here 6 years. I've had students that started out in middle school and have gone through and have graduated. And I've seen how they have changed. I can't take all the credit, but I know working with some of the students who have been shy and timid, I've seen how working with some of them has given them additional confidence to be more open, and it helps them communicate, and it helps them go after the goals that they want to do. They will go out, become successful patrons of our society. They'll go out and give back to others. I've seen them start their own organizations. So it starts here. Technology will be a deciding factor in successful societies. It's very broad, it's very abstract, but it is the science, the abstract science that will allow us to move forward, that will allow us to become more efficient, it'll allow us to provide for more with less resources. So being involved with technology, science and technology will allow those individuals to have the skills to either apply these sciences, the engineering techniques, or will give them the skills to either come up with new discoveries, new things that we don't know how to do yet. The nations that are either developing really fast right now or have been successful have a real high investment rate into science and technology. There is a relationship. My overall message is you can do anything, you can do everything, and you can do them all good. You can be good at all of them. Just encouraging our youth to like, hey, you can do it all. There are no limitations whatsoever. It's all doable.